OLAPLEX Rescue Kit. Get one. We all need it.
This works.
It's fabulous. You get 4 fabulous products in this, and it works for everyone's hair. So OLAPLEX is formulated to protect your hair from all types of damage: chemical, mechanical, thermal and environmental. And of course, thermal meaning the high levels of heated tools that we're using, the irons and the hair dryers and curling tongs, and
because that does dry out your hair, doesn't it? Of course it does,
yeah.
And it will always cause damage. You know, no matter how careful you are, you will damage your hair with colouring, perming or thermal tools.
And then we've got the mechanical, which is just simple as brushing your hair. You know, there's so much friction there, you could actually be breaking your hair.
And that's why a good quality brush is imperative.
Yep. Use
And
the Dyson.
also, the Dyson ones are brilliant. And our bamboo's brilliant too. We'll link that below. And I think you have to be very careful, don't you, Shilpa? Correct me if I'm wrong. If you have wet hair, you have to be really careful how you brush that or comb it. It's at this most delicate stage, isn't it?
It is. And I always say start brushing from the ends and then work your way up. Try and support your hair when you're brushing through these ends.
That's a great idea, because then you're not tugging it from the root.
Yeah, I have to do that. Yeah.
Well, I've only started doing that when you told me to.
And then, of course, there's the environmental factors. The UV damage from the sun, and then the humidity and the hot and cold weathers.
And the pollution.
Pollution, of course, yeah. So there's lots of factors to consider.
And I'm not surprised that professional hairdressers love OLAPLEX, because it really does deliver fantastic, reparative, restorative, beautiful results.
So lots and lots of salons use OLAPLEX as an in-salon treatment, but this is the at-home kit, and our hair contains millions of disulfide bonds, and these are permanent bonds that create your hair's texture and are largely responsible to maintain strong, healthy hair.
So it really does work. It repairs all those bonds, doesn't it? So you end up with that lovely shine, good, healthy, strong hair, because it strengthens the disulfide bonds.
So the number 0 is the primer for the hair. So it prepares your hair for number 3. They're both an intensive repair booster, working in tandem with each other. Number 0 is one that you put on dry hair. So you just saturate your hair using the spray, and I would comb it through very gently and then massage in and leave it on for 10 minutes and then apply the number 3 straight over it.
And that's your intensive treatment, isn't it?
Yeah.
So you put that on for 10 minutes over that. So it's 20-minute treatment all in all.
So it's a 2-part system, and you can use it once a week, but if you have particularly damaged hair, then use it 2 to 3 times a week until your hair gets to a nice healthy state.
And it is wonderful, it really does work. And then with that, you've got beautiful shampoo and conditioner in this particular set.
You get this little, it's a miniature, number 4 and number 5. The number 4 is the shampoo, hydrating shampoo, and number 5 is the conditioner, which you apply over washed hair and then leave it on for 3 minutes and rinse out. So you'll be surprised, this company only started in 2014 in a Californian garage. And now it has millions and millions of fans.
And it's probably worldwide. I always get the little image of a little nutty professor in his garage. All these great companies seem to start in someone's garage.
Yeah, have you got a garage? We should start something. So OLAPLEX, of course, is parabens and sulfates and phosphates free, and obviously cruelty-free and non-toxic formulas.
Yeah, it's a great little company actually, and they're great little products, and they really do work.
Please remember to share us and like us with your friends and family, and
subscribe and ring that bell, and remember to get one of these. Until the next time, take care now. Bye-bye.